Hi all, welcome back to Order 16 development tutorial videos. In this video, let's see how to super create a write method in Order 16. For that, let's go to the contacts module and see how we can super the create method of the contacts module. So from the URL, we can see that the model is rest.partner. So in order to super the create method of restored partner, first we have to inherit that corresponding model. So let's go to PyCharm, and here I have a custom module called partner date of birth, in which I have already inherited the model restored partner. So inside the models, we have the restored partner Python file, in which we can see that the restored partner model is inherited using the keyword inherit. Also, a new field date of birth is added inside the restored partner model. So let's go to the restored partner contacts form view, and here we can see that the field is added in the form view as well. So we can super the create method of restored partner, and by default we can assign a value to the date of birth field. So for that, just search for the create method inside the Odoo add-ons, so that we can see already the create method will be supered in some other models. So we can just copy a one which we need. So I'm just copying this and I'm pasting it in my custom Python file. I'm also removing the unwanted lines of code. So here we can see that for supering a method, the keyword super is used. So here we can see that in here, using the super keyword, the create method is supered. So here we have to specify the class name. So I'm just copying the class name from here and pasting it here. And also I am renaming the terms accordingly. Now we can see that for the create method, the vals list parameter is passed so that this vals list will be used to create a new record, or the values inside the vals list will be used to create a new contact record. So we have to append the value of date of birth field inside the vals list. So we can do that. First we have to loop through the vals list, and then we have to give the field date of birth, that is vals of date of birth equal to, we can assign the value. So I am giving the today date as default for the date of birth field. So I am using the method. This method will return the today date, and the date of birth will be populated with today date, and on creating that date will be assigned to the newly created contact record. So we can restart the service, and let's see by creating a new contact. So I'm just creating a new contact and saving it. So here we can see that the date of birth value is populated as the today date. So this is how we can super the create method. Likewise, we can super the write method as well. So for that, we can just search for the write method. So here we can see that already the write method will be supered in some other classes. So in this way, we can super the write method as well. So this is how we can super the create or write method in Order 16. Hope you got the idea about this. Thank you for watching the video.